Jake was a 25-year-old guy with big dreams but no money. He sat in a park staring at his phone. He only had $15 in his bank account and a bunch of rejection emails. Jake wanted to build a tech app that would fix problems in shipping and supply chains. He figured he needed at least $300,000 to make it happen. So he kept trying to find investors. Luckily, he got a chance to talk to a self-made billionaire named Victor Kane. Jake pitched his idea nervously, explaining how great his tech would be if only he had the cash to start. Victor smiled. He told Jake the biggest lie people tell poor folks is that you need money to make money. Victor explained that Jake was stuck in the wrong way of thinking, the input-first mindset. That means believing you must spend money or have resources first before you can create anything valuable. Instead, Victor taught him the value-first way. Start by giving real value to people right away, without spending your own cash. He shared his simple 3-step blueprint that he used to build his own empire from nothing. Number 1. Service. Start by selling your skills to solve someone's problem right now. Don't build a fancy product first. Just offer to fix one specific issue for a business manually, using free tools like email or LinkedIn. Charge based on the results you deliver, not by the hour. Jake argued that this sounded like just trading time for money. Victor replied that it was the fastest way to get your first real cash without borrowing or begging. Number 2. System. Once you earn some money from that service, don't spend it on clothes, cars, or fun stuff. Use it to build a system. Document what you do. Buy cheap tools or hire freelancers so the work doesn't depend on you doing everything yourself. Starve your lifestyle to feed your system. Number 3. Scale. When you have a system that works without you being involved every day, then you can grow it bigger. Add more customers, automate more parts, and hire salespersons on commission. This creates a business that runs and makes money even while you sleep. Victor challenged Jake to go try it without spending a single dollar of his own. Jake left feeling both excited and a little annoyed, but he decided to act. He went online, found shipping managers complaining about messy inventory tracking, and emailed 50 of them. He offered to fix their tracking problems using simple spreadsheets and free automation tools. Most said no. 48 rejections. But one company said yes. They would pay him $3,000 if he could solve their issue by the end of the week. Jake worked non-stop for 3 days and delivered. He got the $3,000. Following Victor's advice, he used $2,500 to hire a freelance coder to turn his manual fix into an automatic script. With the remaining $500, he started replacing himself in the process. Then he went back to those 48 managers who had said no before. This time he showed them the working automated solution. 4 of them signed up right away for $2,000 a month each. That gave Jake $8,000 coming in every month. He kept improving the tool, hired a sales guy who worked on commission only, and slowly added more clients. 6 months later, Jake met Victor in a lobby of a fancy hotel. Jake proudly told him the results. His software now served 40 regular clients on monthly subscriptions. The system handled 90% of the work automatically, and a small team took care of the rest. Jake only worked about 4 hours a week now, mostly on big-picture strategy. His business was making $85,000 in clear profit every single month. Victor smiled and congratulated him. He reminded Jake that money is just a magnifying glass. If you can build something successful starting with zero, you can do amazing things once you have real capital. Jake had learned that true wealth doesn't come from having a lot of cash in the beginning. It comes from creating systems that solve problems and generate value over and over again. If you enjoyed this story and want more real-life lessons on building a business from nothing, starting with zero money, and creating real wealth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We share simple, powerful stories like this every week to help you grow faster. See you in the next one.